Okay, karibu tujifunze kutengeneza applications za Android kwa kutumia Java programming language, PHP, Android Studio pamoja na MySQL database. Okay. So kwenye video tutorial hii tutaona namna ya kutengeneza switch. Switch katika login page inafanya kazi ya kuonyesha notification. So user kama anataka kujua taarifa fulani kuhusiana na hii login page kama vile msaada, support na nini, ata switch on. So switch on itatokea hii material dialog ambayo ni hii. Okay, so na yenyewe ni responsive kwa sababu ukigeuza smartphone na yenyewe inageuka hivi. Okay. Okay, so now just try to launch demo. So uweze kuona demo, for example na launch your application. Okay, switch yenyewe ndo hii. Just click help. Unaona inafungua hii just information ambazo unaanza kuzisoma kama mna anachokielewa kuhusiana na login. So niki close hapo, nime close. So niki open, unaona, then niki close, niki click popote unaweza hapa ina just quick close. Okay, hiyo ni switch. Okay. So nitakuja kwenye hii hapa application yetu ambayo tunaendelea nayo kuitengeneza. Of course kuna video sales, nimeweka link kwenye video description hapo. Kama kuna video umezikosa, jaribu kuangalia hapo ili uweze kujua tumetokea wapi. Of course application yetu imetokea mbali sana. Okay. So now kwenye layout nita right click kwenye nita choose layout resource file. Okay. So hii nitaipa jina la dialog. Then nita click enter. Hiyo hapa nita just ku click okay. Okay, then dialog itakuwa created. Then nitabonyeza split. Then nitakuja ku change hii hapa kwenye XMLNS. Okay, so nyuma yake hapa nita just kuifuta hii constraint. Then nitachagua what nested scroll view. So just choose a nested scroll view. So just select it. Okay. After then hii ni nested scroll view. Okay. Then naje kutengeneza a linear layout. Sababu layout nyingi sana nimeshazitengeneza. So just come to fragment support. Okay, and come to copy linear layout. So now come to hiyo dialog, then unaweza kuipaste. Okay. Okay, so after then kwa layout yetu ni hii, just inaonekana hivi. Okay. So after then kinachofuata just nikuja na just ku close, na just close linear layout. Okay. So ndani ya linear layout na just kutengeneza hapa text view. So sababu text view tulishatengeneza, just kuja kuitafuta text view for example kwenye fragment login au fragment so kwenye layout instruments. Okay, so hapa nitaipata text view na just kwa sababu nishaitengeneza na just kuicopy. So nakuja katika dialog na just kupaste hii hapa. Okay, so text view hii hapo. And of course naje kufuta hii ID kwa sababu nimeicopy tu hapo. Nakuja kuifuta na hii padding naifuta. Okay. Na just ku select size, text size. Okay, so text size naje kuchagua equal to 20. Just choose 20 dp. Okay, 20 dp. And text yenyewe itakuwa for example ND, for example user license. Okay, agreement. So just end user license agreement EULA. Au just andike kifupi tu end user license agreement ni okay. So inaonekana hivi. So just expand and user. Okay, so let's choose portrait. Is landscape. Okay, so here hapo, and so hapo kwenye hii text view nakuja chini yake hapa. Okay, so now let's choose width inakuwa ni wrap content. Okay, so now just kuiona hii hapa. So font size equal to 28. Okay, now imeongezeka. So now let's choose SP. Okay, so now set gravity. Okay, so layout gravity, just put it center. Okay, so now just choose padding. Okay, so padding equal to 4 dp. So tunaona imetokea hapa. So EULA. Okay, So text color, I choose text color. Let's remove it and select 21. So just comes in hexadecimal value. So 21 and 21 then and F3. Okay, so naona text color imetokea vizuri. Okay, and user license agreement. Okay, so kinachofuata ni kutengeneza card view. So card view for example nishaitengeneza, nakuja kwenye layout installments. Okay, so na kuicopy tu hapa card view. Okay, so naja kwenye dialog na kuja kuiduplicate somewhere hapa. Okay, after then just kuja ku position cursor, create name space declaration. Okay, so now card view just need kuja close. Okay, inside card view, so just create a linear layout. So na copy sababu nisha create. Okay, so naja paste hapa. Okay, and then nakuja close hiyo linear layout. Okay, hapa namna hii. So hiyo card view, let's chagua margin top is equal to, let's choose top margin top, let's choose 5. Okay, let's choose 5 dp. Margin left, of course left and right zipo correct, and corner radius just choose to 1. Okay, let's card layout here hapa, just choose corner radius equal to 1, of course 1 enough. Okay, content padding, let's choose padding. Let's kumbuka content padding. Let's content padding. Okay, of course kama ipo hapa itakuwepo hii hapa, of course 20 enough, content padding 20 enough. Okay, so ndani ya linear layout humu just kuweka text view. Okay, so just come to copy a text view. Okay, okay, so now come to duplicate hapa ni linear layout text view. So text view itatokea ile pale. Okay, so remove gravity to center, so just write gravity start. Okay, so itaanza kwenye start. So text size equal to this one. Okay, okay, so now just kuandika text zako hapa, then text color and so on. Okay, so now come to paste my text. Okay, so now text imetokea. Let's come to change color. Okay, so color now, let's choose text. Okay, so now you can see end user license agreement imetokea pale. Okay, so come to card layout, minimize and copy and come to duplicate. Okay, so we'll just replace kuweka just text zako. So utakuja katika activity login. So now hapa tutatengeneza just a switch. Okay, switch compact. Okay, so it'll be wrap content. Okay, so switch ile pale text itakuwa ni just help. Okay, and choose font family equal to sans serif. Okay, then style, text style will be bold. Okay, then ID will be switcher. Okay, margin left, so margin left will be 20 what dp. Okay, so color, let's choose text color. Text color will be text. Let's see, and then we just will close it. So come to login. So hapa tunatengeneza just a switch compact object ya switch compact. Okay, so now you come hapa ya kuinitialize. So switch compact equal to find view by id r.id. So you access your switch. Okay, So now listen is the event dot set on checked change listener. Okay, so now new compound button on checked change listener. Okay, so if ikiwa amecheck, ikiwa kwenye just hii emulator, just open my emulator. Okay, so emulator imekuwa closed. Okay, lakini no problem. Akicheck hapa if is, okay, if is checked. Okay, now so call dialog method ikiwa imekuwa checked, yani ikiwa ameicheck hiyo switch. Okay, so now come down and create void, public void method is dialog. Okay, so dialog, then dialog equal to new dialog, then context dot this. Okay, and then this dialog dot set content view, then r dot layout dot dialog yetu ile pale. Okay, and then again dialog. Okay, hapo dot get window, then dot set layout, then hapa napitisha view group. Okay, and then dot access, hii hapo nichagua layout params dot choose match parent, and then napitisha argument ya pili. Argument ya kwanza hii ni just ni height, layout height. Okay, ya pili ni hii itakuwa, ya kwanza ni width, ya pili ni just height. So hii itakuwa ni wrap content. Okay, wrap content. Okay, so now hapo, so dialog dot set on touch outside cancelable, let's choose false. Okay, again of course ni true, let's choose true. Nitakwambia ni kwa nini hii maana yake inafanya kazi gani. Okay, so dialog dot set cancelable, okay, equal to true again. Okay, so no problem. Set on touch, or set on touch maana yake ni kwamba just open it demo. Okay, set on touch maana yake ni click on touch, maana yake ni click popote. Click hapa, pause hapa, mfano just ni click inapotea, unaona, nikiklik popote, just nikiklik popote wanota hapa hivi. Yes. So hii demo ilikuwa yenyewe haja set kitu kama hicho. Kwa hii on touch maana yake popote, on touch cancelable, lakini on cancel on touch outside, yani outside maana yake popote pembeni ukiklik inafunga. Okay, lakini ya pili on touch, on set on cancelable maana yake ni cancel mpaka ubonyeze hapa, hii hapa. Okay, so yes, kwa sababu ni emulator kuja kubonyezea huko. Okay. Okay, so now dialog dot get window. Okay, dot get attribute dot window animation, window animations equal to, so naenda kutengeneza file yani style naenda kutengeneza katika values, naenda katika theme. Okay, naenda kutengeneza animation. Okay, so nakuja katika, of course ni values, then theme. Okay, hapa then style name animation, then we close the style. Okay, so item name is window enter animation, window close window, close ni enter, window enter animation hapa. Okay, okay, so yes, kuna fade out in na fade out. So at Android mboni hii hapo, then access animation. Okay, let's choose fade underscore in. Okay, that's kuna errors hapo. Okay, at Android Animation fade in. Yes, okay. So hii ni window enter animation item name. Okay, so just tenza item name nyingine, so item window exit animation, so window exit animation. Hii ilikuwa ni enter, hii ni kwa exit animation. Okay, so now I choose Android animation. Okay, fade out. So hapa kuna error kwa sababu kuna hizi colon mbili, kumbe ni moja. Okay, so tunakuja katika upande wa programming, tunakuja kuicall animation here. So equal to window animation ambayo ni hii r.style.access animation ambayo tulitengeneza pale. Okay, again dialog.show. Okay, so now run my program. Okay, so ina run our program. So ndoja katika virtual emulator kuja kuiangalia jinsi inavyo run. Okay, so ina install, so no longer tai launch. Okay, so now ina launch. So hiyo kwa application yetu ni hii hapa. So nikijust click hii hapa, muone na just unaweza scroll down. Okay, hapana, end user license agreement. Okay, naula. Okay, let's see, on touch outside cancelable. Of course nitakuwa nikiklik mpembeni iondoke, so ni click hapa itaondoka, no problem. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now just kuingiza tena namna hii. Okay, so just utasoma maelezo ambayo utaona wewe nafaa utaandika hapo. Okay. Okay, so again close. Okay, hizo fade in na fade out, unaona kama zina fade fulani hivi, inamwagika kiasi fulani. Ndio hizo animation ambazo tumeziweka hapo kwenye theme hizi hapa, fade in na fade out. Okay.